it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig that I have on right now is coming from the Shake and Go Freetress Equal Company. And this is part of their new series that they have going for themselves. And it's still part of their Freedom Part wigs, but this is actually a hand-tied Freedom Part unit, which means every last strand of this hair is literally hand-tied onto a mesh cap, and it is literally one of their lightest caps that they have ever done. Well, starting off, let me just say this. This is in the style 301. I have mine in a 1B, and they do make another one that's called 302, and you will be seeing 302 very soon, trust and believe. It is heat retardant, so you can't put heat to it. But with these type of curls, why would you want to? Like, who got time to be taking the curls out of this when you can just keep it how it is and let it be its own wonderful self? Now I will say this. Let me tell you about comb placement on this unit. This unit is so special with it being so lightweight and the fact that it's hand tied, which means that it did need to have a few more combs. So this comb now has 4. It don't even have just 5. It has 6 combs in it. Like, you get 4 at the top, 2 in the back, and it doesn't even have an adjustable strap because it's so stretchy. It literally has a drawstring in it. There's a drawstring in the back of this unit, so that's a plus. So any wig that you can get that got a drawstring to it, honey, it is highly worth it, and definitely in part of the investment. So now I know you guys are looking and like, with all this hair, this cannot be lightweight. I BS you not. This is probably like the most lightweight wig that I have ever experienced and put on my head in a very long time. Like, when I tell you that this is lightweight, like, there's a reason why they give you 6 combs, because it's so lightweight that if the breeze in Texas blew, your wig is flying off. And they want to make sure that for the girls that live in a windy city or even down south in Texas, baby, they want to make sure that your wig is on there and it's wrapped up tight with no issue. But do y'all not see this? Like, this is goodness right here. This is straight goodness. Like, I cannot wait to get 302 just to experience it, because it is a little bit longer than this one, but this is actually a perfect length. And like I said, with it being free part, you can literally move the unit wherever you want it to go. Like, if you want a side part, honey, just all you gotta do is just adjust everything the right way, and guess what? We got a side part, and I'm here for the side part too, right? I ain't gonna lie about it. Kind of like it on the side better than in the middle, but I do like mine in the middle. So this is not a lace wig. This is a full cap unit. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the full cap unit. So there are some moments where it may not look natural. So you will have to draw in baby hair or utilize. Did I just say draw in baby hair? Oh my God, I am so sorry, you guys. Not draw in baby hair, but you may have to utilize your own baby hair to make this look a little bit more believable. It is highly big head friendly. I'm sorry, my strap is moving like crazy. But this is highly big head friendly. This is actually all head friendly. Like, this is the category for all heads, so I'm not gonna lie to you. Other than that, if she's a win-win, like, she is a winner chicken dinner. That's right. If this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit the bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.